Hello guys, welcome to Nursepedia. In today's video, we will have a clear look of a care plan on the topic delirium. Nursepedia is a dedicated nursing education channel created to support nursing students, professionals, and anyone interested in healthcare. We provide clear, practical, and easy to understand content on nursing care plans, case studies, disease management, and clinical skills. Check out our informative videos, including in polyhydramnios, along with care plans for dengue and viral fever, all designed to support your learning and clinical skills. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay informed, stay inspired only on Nursepedia.